Are you tired of worrying about your phone getting wet during beach trips, pool parties, or outdoor adventures? Say hello to the Hiercool waterproof phone pouch, the ultimate solution to keep your phone safe, dry, and fully functional, no matter where you go. Why you need the Hiercool waterproof phone pouch? Whether you're hiking in the rain, lounging by the pool, or kayaking down a river, water damage is one of the biggest threats to your phone. The Hiercool waterproof phone pouch is designed to protect your device from water, sand, dust, and even snow. Here's why it's a must-have accessory: 100% waterproof protection. This pouch is fully submersible and can keep your phone dry at depths of up to 100 feet, 30 meters. Perfect for snorkeling, swimming, or even underwater photography. Universal compatibility. The Hiercool pouch fits most smartphones, including the latest iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy S23, Google Pixel, and more. It even has enough room for cards, cash, or keys. Crystal clear touchscreen. The ultra-transparent window allows you to use your phone's touchscreen effortlessly, take photos, answer calls, or scroll through social media without removing your phone from the pouch. Durable and reliable. Made from high-quality TPU material, this pouch is built to last. It's shockproof, dustproof, and can withstand extreme conditions. Easy to use, the secure snap and lock closure ensures no water gets in, while the adjustable neck strap makes it easy to carry around your neck or attach to a backpack. Why choose Hiercool? With so many waterproof pouches on the market, the Hiercool stands out for its quality, affordability, and versatility. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Don't let water damage ruin your phone or your adventures. Click the link on the description to grab your Hiercool waterproof phone pouch on Amazon today. If you click the link and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. The Hiercool waterproof phone pouch is a game changer for anyone who loves the outdoors or simply wants to protect their phone from water damage. It's affordable, reliable, and incredibly versatile, a must-have accessory for every smartphone user. So, what are you waiting for? Protect your phone and capture every moment, no matter where your adventures take you. Grab your Hiercool waterproof phone pouch today.